Welcome to my quiz. Question 13. True or false? The multiplicative inverse of 0 is infinity. The number 1 is called the multiplicative identity, basically because multiplying 1 by any number leaves that number identical. A multiplicative inverse of a number means an object whose product with that number is the multiplicative identity 1. If we pretend that we have an object that's a multiplicative inverse of 0, then we get that 2 is equal to 2 times the product of 0 and its multiplicative inverse. But we also get that 1 is equal to the product of 2 times 0 and the multiplicative inverse of 0, which means that these two terms cannot be equated with each other. This would have to be a very mathematically unnatural definition of multiplication, so we can say that the statement is false. If we want to define a mathematically natural extension of the concept of reciprocals to allow for a reciprocal of 0, our definition of reciprocal will probably have to be something different from the multiplicative inverse. The trick will be to define reciprocation in terms of geometry rather than conventional arithmetic, and I hope to discuss this as part of a future series of videos on infinity.